Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I have a really exciting video. I got some stuff from Shop Miss A during Black Friday and Silver Monday, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it was a really good deal and because you guys seem to like these videos. So yeah, right here I have two packages. This one came in first and I was waiting for this one, so it came in today, so I decided to make a video. The reason I have two different packages is because, let me just put these down. I've been wanting to make this video for a really long time, and I've been adding stuff to my cart, but then I'm like, nah, I'll just do it some other day. And whenever I saw they had a deal during Black Friday, I decided to get it. I don't know if it was 5% off plus free shipping or something like that. And so I decided to do it. And then actually there was no free shipping in the first order that I've made. And since I wanted to do a full face of using just Shop Miss A makeup, I added to my cart like a lot of makeup. But then whenever I decided to do the what's it called, the order, there was products that weren't available no more. And then also they didn't really have a new concealer that was in stock when I went into the page. So I got this concealer that I thought it wasn't that good, and I just got it for the video. But then when I went on the website on Silver Monday, I saw that they launched new palettes and new concealer, so that's when I ordered the second order. And I got free shipping, so I just got those two things. And it was a palette, so it was a little bit more than $1. But yeah, not everything's $1. Since they have this new line, it's a little bit over $1, so just to let you guys know, not everything's $1. So yeah, let me start with the unboxing because this was a really long intro. And by the way, they package it really well. It's full of bubble wrap. Now I need to find my tijeras. And it comes like this. Let me open this one. So this is my first order and this is my second order. Okay, so they come in this package as well, so it's really good packaging. Like, I mean, you pay for the US, you pay like $3 and something cents for shipping if you don't get over like a $35 range. But I mean, it's worth it because they protect your items really well. Wow, this is what it looks like. Ooh. What should I start with? Okay, so I'm gonna start with the two items that I ordered after. And the first thing is the concealer. This is the AOA concealer. It was $155, I believe. Well, it's right here, but I'm not sure if it had like a certain percent off. It says it's a natural finish liquid concealer, good for all skin types, and it also says it's non-drying, creamy, and long wearing. So yeah, it gives you steps. And I think in the try on portion I'll let you know what shade I got because I don't remember. I just hope this fits me well. And then the next thing I got super excited about, it's this palette because it's so big, and it was only, I was gonna say, let me check my phone, but I'm using my phone to record. It's the XOXO palette. It has 25 color shades. It looks like this. It doesn't have a mirror, but that's fine. So it looks like that, right? And this is what the colors look like. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is a shimmer. Whoa. A matte and then a matte. Those are so pretty. This one's so nice. Like, the matte ones are not that bad either. I'm excited for this. So I'm gonna be trying that on. Okay, so let's get started with the other stuff now. Sorry, the background noise. It's always loud in here. My dad's singing. But I'll be putting these two videos back to back. Like, I'll put the haul first and then I'll put the try on portion. Okay, so now let's get started with this setting spray. Actually my whole order was like 30 something bucks. Okay, so this is the setting spray. It locks in makeup and it was also 188. It says how to use. After makeup application, hold the AT setting spray about 12 inches from your face and spray several times. Allow time to dry. High definition, non-drying, and matte finish. Oh, it's a matte finish. I don't really like matte finishes, but it looks like this and I'll be trying it. Okay, so I also got this A+ Super Strip Lash adhesive. So it's a clear one, it's waterproof, and it looks like this. To go along with some AOA lashes, I got some new lashes. I know I don't need any no more, but I wanted to do a full face, so I had to get everything. I didn't have to get these two, but I did. This is a Cala Natural pore cleansing brush. I already have a cleansing brush, but I wanted to try this one. Oh, it feels so soft. Oh, this is really soft, like super soft. Another little thing that I didn't have to get was this A+ cube blender holder. Ooh, this is heavy. It's pretty heavy, and you just put your beauty blender. I actually got a beauty blender. I'll try it out with the beauty blender. This is a ripoff. Never thought it was a mini. Oh my goodness. I really thought it was a big one, and I got a mini. I think it's gonna work great, but I mean it's so small. But yeah, it was. Let me look for another one. Okay, so this is the one, the normal one, and this is the one I got. It's so cute, but it's so nice. It feels so good. Okay, so it goes like this or something like that. You just hold it like that, or to be honest, I don't even know how it works. I also got more brushes. I didn't have this yet, and I really like the brushes. They work pretty good. So yeah, I just decided to get another one, and these are the black ones, but these are black and white instead. They look like that. I'm not gonna go over them. I'll just use them in the video. Something I also didn't have to get, but I got it. It's a little headband, so whenever you're applying your makeup, you don't get it all over your hair. This is so fluffy. This is so fluffy. I don't even know how to put it on. It's gonna go something like that, but this is the AOA Studio Perfect Finish Press Powder, and I got it in the color Almond just because it was like a good contouring color. Okay, so the next thing, bubble wrap here is, oh, it's the foundation. Oh my god, I just hope this is not too dark for me. I got it in the shade Sand just because in the swatches they had, it kind of looked like this was the great color for me or shade for me. But I think it's going to be too dark. Even if it's dark, I'll just give it to my sister. My sister's a little bit darker than me. I just hope it's a really good foundation. It says Blendable Stain Foundation from the AOA Studio brand. It's a lightweight liquid formula that delivers buildable coverage and a long-lasting natural finish. Okay, so I have several things in this one. Okay, like for example, this is the blush I got the last haul that I made. And this is an example of the blush now. This is so much smaller but so much cuter. It's the AOA Studio Perfect blush in the shade Darlin. Yeah, it looks so much different. For example, for the highlighters, it's the same thing. This is a highlighter I got last time, and I actually got two this time. I got the shades Sometimes and For You. And these are so cute. Like, they look so much better than this, but I mean they're smaller and they're $1, so, but I mean these are cute and they're pretty good. I'm pretty sure you guys will see in the try on portion. Since I wanted to get a palette that was $1 and it had like really nice shades, and I was like, that's gonna be a perfect palette and it's gonna be $1 just for the people that don't have enough money to buy like expensive makeup. But when I decided to check out, it wasn't available no more, so Like I told you guys, I got that. But then since I wasn't gonna get that, I got these. These are single shadows. Oh my god. And these were $1 each. I think they were in specials. If I could open them with these nails. But a lot of them were sold out. So these are the ones I got. They come like this. Ooh, that's a nice shade. So this is the first shade. I don't have a single palette for this. This is what it looks like. I love these shades. I love yellow. That's the shade Crown, and I also got a matte one that's Sultry. This one looks like this. It looks like that. That's a bad swatch, but it looks like that. And the last things I have here were packaged in this bag. And I'm gonna start off with this. Oh, it's cold. And it says Starry makeup, I think. And I just wanted to try this one. It looks like that. It feels like it's a good quality. I told you guys before in the video that I use my Shop Miss A mascara and I really like it. So I hope this is really good as well. Oh my god, these are huge. I thought I got two, but I guess I only got red. This is a matte lip cream, and this is in the shade Allure. But you guys will see this in the try on portion. This Zuri Flawless Liquid Eyeliner. It's in the shade brown. I decided to get it in the shade brown because I have black, but I don't have brown. I used to have brown, but it's drying out. So, ow. So yeah. So you guys will see this eyeliner. Okay, so I got this contour stick. I have one, not this kind. I have a Dollar Tree one that I got from Dollar Tree. It's in the shade Fawn. But yeah, I also got this so I could try it out. So I got this for my eyebrows. I hope it's a really good color. It's the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. I got one of these in my last video, but it was too dark for me, so I think I gave it to my sister. For the concealer I was telling you guys about that I didn't know if it was gonna be a good concealer, and they didn't have a lot of options on these, a lot of shades. This is a Princessa Mattifying Covered Maquillaje Concealer Corrector. I think it's in the shade 2. I think it's gonna be a really dark concealer, but I'll try using it. These are the last two things. I also got this so small, making the products smaller than what they usually are. Like say this is the powder I got from the AOA Studio brand. I've been using this since I got it. I really like it. I do use it a lot, even though it has a really pretty good amount of product. This is a highlighter, and I also got it to try it out. But I mean, like, you see the difference? They're making them smaller now for some POW-lighter. Wow. But I'm excited to use. This is the shade Nebula. And then for eyeliner, I got the LA Color at Lipliner and the shade Rose Brown, and it looks like this. But yeah, that's everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and wait for the try-on portion. I'll try to record it today. If not, I'll record it some other day, and you guys will see these two videos back to back. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.